Good morning guys and welcome to My Nails Monday. So today I am starting off with an iced coffee. This is a Nespresso Vivalto Lungo. And then I am trying out this Natural Bliss Almond Milk Creamer. This is vanilla. I have to tell you guys, Natural Bliss is my favorite creamer. And I stopped using it because they don't make a dairy-free one. And now they do, and it's so freaking good. I'm addicted to this. They also have a coconut one that I think I'm gonna try just to say I tried it, but I have a feeling that I'm gonna be sticking with this forever. So I've got that, and then I made some cereal. I mean, can it actually be called cereal? I don't know. Basically, there's this thing, it's called Anahola granola. It's made right here in Hawaii. It's literally my favorite thing in life. It's the original one, and I really felt like having that today, so I just put a tiny bit in a bowl. That's what it looks like, and then I added in some chopped banana. I had to move the banana over so you guys could actually see the granola, just because the banana was burying it. And then what I'm going to do is add in a bit of almond milk, and voila, we now have cereal. And that is my breakfast. So today I'm getting my hair done, so I'm opting to have another coffee before I go. It's 11:45, just because I feel a little bit tired. I think it's just Sundays I always tend to feel a bit lazy because I do so much Monday through Saturday that it's like when Sunday comes along I'm like, oh, thank God it's Sunday. So I'm having another coffee. It's just the exact same thing, Vivalto Lungo with, oh my God, what's it called? Natural Bliss almond milk. No, Natural Bliss almond creamer, almond milk creamer. I don't know what I'm saying. I just got out of the shower, washed my hair. I had a lot of product in it from the past few days. And so my hairdresser doesn't like when I come in with lots of product when she's trying to like color my hair. So I washed that. I'm gonna dry it in a minute and then head out. Okay, I am on my way to get my hair done. And hopefully I'm in shot because I can't see. I have a nice big thing of water, and I just went into Subway and I got a veggie wrap that I'm going to eat on my way because I'm starving, but I don't have enough time to eat and then go. So let me just unwrap this little snack. It's my actual lunch. And that is what it looks like. Here's my water. And now I am off to the salon. So I just got out of the hair salon. As you guys can see, I completely changed it up to kind of like an ashy blondie brown. But I thought I would let you know because obviously I'm filming My Nails Monday today and it's gonna randomly just change. But anyways, I'm so happy with it. I'll be able to give you a better look at home because I'm walking. You guys are you're facing the sun. I don't know what I'm saying. This might be a better view. Anyways, I'm really happy with it. And now I'm going to head home and get some dinner because it's almost 6 o'clock. Okay guys, it is dinner time. I just got done feeding the dogs too. I've been making their food from scratch and they're loving life. So put this away, and then I ordered, where does this go? Please hold. I ordered some Italian tonight, and this is chicken pomodori with linguine. So I'm gonna eat this. It's actually the first time I've had like chicken or anything like that in ages. But I actually got it before I left. I forgot to take chicken out of the freezer for the dog's dinner tonight. And so I had to order something with chicken in order to cut it up to give to them. So that's what I've done. Anyways, we're watching this movie, The Lost City. It's about Cuba. And we're gonna have our dinner. All right, you guys, it is not late at all. It's like 9 o'clock. Let's see, hold on. Yeah, it's 9:16. And I'm honestly exhausted. I'm done for the day. I feel like I can't go on. I don't know why I feel so tired. Last week I was really sick and I just feel like I've been tired ever since. And when I say really sick, like I was honestly like, I thought I needed to go to the hospital or something. So I think what I'm gonna do is just have a really early night tonight and try to get up in the morning and work out. I have yoga tomorrow, but I want to do like spin and maybe some Pilates. So I want to get like a really good night's sleep and then wake up nice and refreshed for the morning. By the way, this what's it called, Emma Hardy balm has crystallized, so that's why there's like these little bits in it, but it's so expensive I'm not gonna waste it, so I'm using it anyways. I think it's something that happens sometimes with the shipping over here. My headband's coming off already. Usually that doesn't happen until at least halfway through. Clearly I didn't put it on right. Anyways, I'm gonna go to bed. So I hope you guys enjoyed today's My Meals Monday. And get that fluff out of my hair. If you did, give it a thumbs up, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye. Oh, by the way, this week is going to be Mother's Day week on my channel. So Wednesday I'm going to have a Mother's Day gift guide, and Friday is going to be Mother's Day cupcakes. So come back for that, especially if you're kind of like at a loss for what to get your mom or your wife or the mother figure person in your life for Mother's Day. So I have like lots of good little bits and a variety of prices too. So anyways, I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye.